So if you're not creating UGC right now, you're missing out on one of the biggest money-making opportunities online. And here's the truth. Brands don't care about how many followers you have or if you're going viral. They care about one thing: content that actually sells. And here's the kicker. Everyday people are getting paid thousands of dollars to create these videos for brands without posting them on their own profiles, without having a big following, and without needing to be an influencer. That means this opportunity is wide open to anyone who knows how to make content that actually converts. A lot of people confuse UGC with influencer marketing. They think that they need clout, big audiences, and some kind of aesthetic lifestyle to be valuable for a brand. But that's not true. UGC isn't about influence, it's about conversion. Brands take your content, run it as an ad, and then scale it with ad spend. So the only thing that matters is whether your video gets attention and convinces people to buy. Now, what makes UGC sell? So let's talk about what separates a video that brands love and one that gets ignored. So it all comes down to psychology. Humans buy based on emotions: curiosity, fear, desire, status, urgency, then justify their purchase with logic after. When you build content that hits all these psychological triggers, you don't just make pretty videos, you make money-making machines. And here's a quick example. Instead of saying, "This is a great body wash, you should try it," you start with, "Did you know that the drugstore body wash you're using is actually aging your skin faster?" That one line triggers curiosity, fear, desire for a solution, and it makes people lean in. So why does this all matter? It matters because the algorithm rewards good creative. If your video keeps people watching, it gets pushed. If it doesn't, the algorithm completely kills it. That means your creative is your targeting. The older guy with gray hair talking about skincare will naturally attract older men to his video. The surfer dude showing off his morning routine will attract people in that lifestyle. Authenticity equals better targeting, and brands know this. That's why they're pouring so much more of their ad spend into UGC and people who know how to make high converting content that are cleaning up right now. So in the last 3 years, I've personally generated over $6 million in sales using UGC. And what I realized is most creators and even brand owners have no idea how to actually do this at scale. They know how to film, they know how to edit, but they don't know the psychology behind what makes an ad actually convert. They don't know the frameworks, the hooks, the formulas that make the video not just watchable, but really profitable. So in this system, I'll go through all the strategies that we use to create content that actually scales with a brand. So what you'll learn inside is I break down the exact psychology that makes people actually buy, the proven frameworks for hooks, storytellings, and powerful CTAs. How to structure ads so the algorithm pushes them instead of kills them. How to build consistent income using UGC. Even if you have 0 followers right now, this is exactly the spot that you want to be. And this is the same process I've used to scale brands to multi-million-dollar revenues, and I've already got students landing brand deals, generating income just by following the system. Now here's the thing, this opportunity isn't going to stay wide open forever. Brands are locking in their creators right now. The ones that learn how to do this every day are going to be the ones that dominate the space tomorrow. So here's what to do. Click the link in the description, join the system today, and let me show you how to start creating content that doesn't just get likes, but gets you paid. But don't wait. Every day you hold off, somebody else is already honing in their skills, is taking the opportunity that's meant for you.